Hi Natalie, I wrote a song about rivers and a little bit about the Russian River and how climate change and human impact has affected them. Okay. Rivers are formed in a pretty cool way. Snow melts on the mountains and streams run straight down to their base. All the streams collect together and form a river that goes to the sea. But climate change affects our weather and has treated the rivers pretty nastily. Global warming is causing all the temperatures to rise. This creates a lot less rainfall and can make the rivers dry. Because our weather is so unbalanced, sometimes storms make too much rain, which makes the rivers overflow with great big floods that take forever to drain. Humans have also been pretty harsh and have left big impacts on the creeks. We've polluted the water with oil and junk, making the fish's habitat extremely weak. Opposed to that, the humans have used rivers for electricity. This has created more water for the rivers and overall makes them pretty happy. The dynamics of a river play a huge part in how a river flows. The independent variables are things like geological events, and the dependent ones are things like depth and slope. Before the Sonoma watershed developed, the Russian River had a stable dynamic, but afterwards the river was highly entrenched and lacked in important sediments. Overall, rivers have been changing due to human idiocracy, but even with the crazy climate change, they still play a huge part in geomorphology.